Welcome to Swallow Robin Hall. I'm Riley.
And I'm Kelsey. Let's go take a look inside. Now we're in the lobby, also known as the Robbie.
Here's where we all come down and we put movies on, people cook and bake, we do homework. It's just a great space where we can all come down and be together and cultivate a close community.
Swallow Robin is the oldest and smallest dorm on campus. We are all girls. The first 2 floors are 3-man, and the 3rd floor has both 2-man and 3-man.
So Swallow Robin houses about 60 to 70 women. Having that number has really allowed us to get to know girls on different floors and just know everyone in the building's faces and names and a little bit about them, which has been great to just cultivate a community, especially in the lobby, that really feels like a home.
Let's go check out our rooms.
Here's one of our 2-man rooms. So as you can tell, our 2-man rooms, they're super spacious, allowing us to host friends and just have a lot of space both for the beds and for a futon and fridge and TV. One of my favorite things is that each room has 2 beautiful windows that bring in a lot of light.
And this is my room. Now this is a 3-man, and my favorite part of my room is my photo wall with all my friends.
Another way we get to know people across campus is with our brother floor. With them, we do a lot of activities throughout the weeks and throughout the school year, including intramurals and Brosis pancakes, quesadilla nights, dinners.
As a whole, throughout the year, we have 2 open houses. One in the fall, which is Swalloween, and one in the spring, which is Swallow Robin. Across the halls, we have group dinners and small groups. We also participate in campus activities like Nostalgia Night and Air Band. One of my favorite things about living in Swallow Robin is the community that we have here.
It being a smaller dorm has really made it feel like home, where I can come back and see my friends, but I also have time by myself.
We hope you enjoyed getting to learn more about our home, Swallow Robin.
And we'd love for you to come see it in person on a campus tour.